doing something, and if it's not something you love, you're not going to want to do it. Point blank. Bastante feliz, mas senhor, good morning, beautiful people. What is up, beautiful people? So today is a quick video I'm making real quick. It's not going to be about hypergamy or hypergaming just yet. This video is about student loans, student debt, and just college in general, and my opinion on it. So here is what I think about it all. So currently right now I'm finishing up my first year of college, and I've been going to community college. Sorry, I'm afraid of birds, and whenever I see them fly by it makes me nervous. Pretty much right, I'm finishing up my first year of college, and I just don't think it's really useful for me. I really went to appease my mother, and I've tested it out, and I've not just been at the community college, I've actually gone to on campus with some of my friends that go to like University of Houston and stuff like that. And so I've been there and I've seen the lifestyle there, you know, although it's good and fun most of the time, whenever all the parties and stuff die down. So I guess when it's not the weekend, you actually see like how much work and everything that goes into creating and living that life that you choose to live. And I myself have student loan, just a small amount of student loan debt compared to other people, but in the grand scale of things, that is an issue itself. And I also feel like college is useless to entrepreneurs, you know, cooks, artists, people like that, because literally all the resources that you need to learn those items and learn those tasks and things like that are literally sitting right here in front of you. All you have to do is go above my video, go to that search bar and type in anything you want to learn, and guess what happens? You can learn it. And that's literally how I've learned every single thing that I know right now in the last like 7 years or so. Actually, in the last like, I would say 8 years. Everything I've learned, everything I know about business, I've learned from YouTube, and then I've learned a lot more through experience in more recent times, which will be in my next video about businesses and stuff like that, one of my next videos. So stay tuned for that. But in addition to that, really what I've realized is that for me personally, I don't feel like college is essential, because you learn more through experience, and as people say that, but they don't actually go through it. And I've been going through so much business experience in the last few months that I've realized that literally experience teaches you so much, and I feel like people neglect that fact, right? And it kind of upsets me sometimes when I really think about it, because people misinterpret a lot of different messages and feel as though just because someone says it doesn't mean they did it, instead of realizing that sometimes people actually do what they said. You know, it's not as common as it once was, but it does happen still nonetheless in these days. And I'm one of those people that, you know, actually does what he says. So I'm not going to put on the front if it's not something I'm actually doing or something I'm not passionate about, right? But continue on that train of thought, really what I want to also address is the fact that when it comes to figuring out what you really want to do with your life, it's going to come into your hands, right? And you should honestly just do what makes you happy and what you love. Because at the end of the day, when you're working for 40 years, like the traditional route, that's what it's going to come down. You're going to be sitting there doing something. If it's not something you love, you're not going to want to do it. Point blank, period. So whenever you're living your life, it's important that you calculate that risk. Take a calculated risk while you're young, especially, because if you don't, you might live with a life with regret. And college might be one of those things, you know, instead of taking those 4 years to go to college, maybe you could have took those 4 years and learned a skill and made millions, versus going through the whole normal college process and then just living and surviving, not living, just surviving, you know, working and trying to create things for yourself so that you can actually live, not just survive. And so when you think about that too, in the grand scale of things, it's always going to come down to what you feel is going to be best for your life. Although there's a lot of influence from other people, I'll listen to this quote by Nipsey he had put on one of his videos, where he pretty much said that most of the time what people do is, especially when you're young, you know you're inside, you think how you want to think, you do what you want to do, you're happy. As soon as you go outside, there's all sorts of influence and all sorts of people telling you this, telling you that, and disturbing your peace and your train of thought and what you want to do. They quiet your dreams, and in reality, they're not going to be the ones living your life. So why should they have that much control, have that much power in your life and what you do and what you say? Why should they have that much influence? Yes, I understand your parents have an influence, but they're not going to have the action. There's a difference between influence and action, right? People that have influence, you know, push you to do things. People that have action actually do it and show you. So don't listen to the people. I listened to this guy, Scott Hilsey, I think is his name, on YouTube, something along those lines. But basically, what he says, something he always says is, Don't listen to people that aren't doing what you want to do, because you will end up doing exactly what they're doing, which is not what they want to do. So pretty much going along that train of thought, in addition, is just realizing that you can't listen to people that are not doing what you want to do, or surround yourself around people that aren't like-minded like you, you know? Because people that are like-minded are going to push you in a direction that you want to go, right? Typically. But if you're around the wrong people, it's not going to always end up well. But if you at least strive to achieve that and have as a set goal whenever you're going about your business and your day and your life, surrounding yourself by like-minded people, no matter what you choose to do, whether it's going to college or not going to college, you're going to end up ultimately following your passion, following your dream, and being around those people that are going to influence you, but also be action. People that have action, not just influence. You need people with action and influence. Because at the end of the day, words are just words unless you put them into action, you know? With that being said, this is a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy this. So there's a lot more I can go on to this, but I just wanted to touch base with it real quick. And I love you guys, and I'll catch you soon. I'll make another video in a couple of days, and I'll post it then too. But that's it for this one. Love you guys. Have a beautiful, fantastic, marvelous, freaking phenomenal year, day, week, whatever you're watching this. I love you guys, and I'll catch you later.
You can do it, mean.